Morning, getting ready to leave the Curley Maple Gap shelter. We gotta say goodbye to the face. Definitely rained all morning like crazy, but we're about ready to get started. Back on trail, guys. So we came up to this gap here, and there's this little cool foundation. Looking at the size of it, it's pretty much about the size of a shelter. I'm not really sure if that's what it was. And this is all, like a lot of it was private land here. There's really nice tenting back there. You can even tent right here. Nice spot here. Muddy. That was a gap, and now we're coming out on ridge lines here. So we are getting shots of Erwin, Tennessee here. I don't know if I can zoom in. I know we passed some massive blowdowns before this point, but we still have some massive blowdowns coming up. There are reroutes, but I believe the reroutes are now open. The trees are cut. People can walk through it now, so we don't have to do that long ass reroute. There's like two big ones up ahead, and I think Mama Bear and Bear were able to walk through it, and they're ahead of us. So I believe we should be able to walk through it. The reroute sucks anyway. Long dirt roads. That's just guess it was good when all the trees were across the trail, but I believe they're all cleaned up now. I haven't checked in. Ramdino's on top of it, so he would he knows where they're at. They're pretty much clear. There is new drop tree falls, so we can usually get around or over them. New stuff coming down to the gap. A little windy. It was sunny here for a while. We had the rain stop, we had sun, and now we have, looks like trail magic out here. Trail magic's always fun. There's the construction vehicles, and they're doing their thing. Rebuilding the Erwin is what we're doing here.
Trail magic.
We would, awesome. Look at this, guys. We got trail magic here. Ah, awesome. Trail magic, yes.
Hot drink, cold drinks.
I could do a hot drink right now. That'd be great.
Apple cider, hot chocolate, hot teas. Lots of hot teas.
Oh, wow. Sounds,
Hot chocolate.
yeah. Yeah, make that two. Two hot chocolates. Awesome. Trail magic today, guys. Perfect. Look at the mountains out there. Whew. Oh, yeah. Whew. We are still rolling. We had some good trail magic down there. Banana bread and hot chocolate, apple cider, hot teas, fresh fruit. It's all good. So that's what you see. What you see is what you get. We're on the Unica Mountain. We're at what's called Beauty Spot. You see why? Wow. firewood. Split. Oh, that's nice. Look at this spot. Right here. Oh, yeah. Why they call it the beauty spot. Look at that down there in the mountains. It's a windy day today, but still the clouds look nice. The mountains are always awesome out here. Windy, guys, and a lot of red briar here. Red briar and windy. Woo! Look at this. It's kind of zoomed in at the moment. Some of these mountains here. Some wind! Woo! Crazy. Knocked my poles over. Strap keeps coming around, hitting me. Yeah, nice place out here. You'll be here, Steve. You'll be when you do the south here. Some bad blowdowns here. Whew, this area. We just met up with the Forest Service. They made us take the reroute. We were going to just take the AT, but apparently it's still not clear. So this is their little camp. Yeah, their little tents up there. And their trucks out here. We just filled up on water. So I guess we're taking the reroute. We weren't going to really do it. So be it. So here we are, taking the road, I guess, or, you know, the reroute. I forgot to get pictures of the sign that made us take the reroute, the one where they blocked off the trail. They're saying it's still not clear, and I don't know. I've heard people say different, but then again, who knows for real unless you're on it. So, nice little falls on our reroute. This is our, yeah, it's a nice fall. This is our reroute though. Due to the destruction in the mountains there. I actually have a curb here, wow. Look at that. Curbing on this old. Yeah, looks like a good camp there. We're making some miles today. This makes it a little easier to make miles. This is still the reroute here. As you can see, it's the AT. We got to this point at around 6 o'clock today with this reroute. It was crazy. So we were like, do we do the last 1.2 miles to where the reroute stops? But it's a 500-foot incline, and we were already, the reroute, the incline on the reroute was nuts. On a rainy day, you would never get up it. It was such a steep slope. Like you could probably see the slope over there. We were slipping trying to get up it today. And you go over the mountain and down the other side. And you're slipping down the other side. This morning when it was raining, you could see the slip marks. People couldn't get up and over that mountain today. So that was just ridiculous. Good thing it's only temporary. So we got to this spot here. We were like 16 miles. That's a good day. That's a really good day. To climb at 6 o'clock, to climb another 500 feet 1.2 miles and 500 feet, and not even know if we could find a camping spot in that area because nothing's marked up that way. You know, the next shelter is like another 8 miles away from us. So we found this little spot down here. This looks good. And then I said, you know what? I walked through this little tree area here. I said, just on the other side of the brook has better spots. So we came through here, you know, which is much nicer area. We were like, oh, we're more hidden. We're off that little road. I don't see anything that says private property. So we came over here. We said, all right, we just got to cross the brook here. So we put this little log down. This helps. So we did that. So we cross right there. I have my tent set up right there. So our man's right back there. We had a good, there's no log to sit on to cook, so we cooked on the ground over here. So this was our cooking area. And we can easily get water right there. So yeah, so we're back in this little secluded area. So yeah, good day today, 16 miles. That's good, we're feeling it. But you know what's funny? I probably won't sleep good tonight. I'll probably have to take one of them ibuprofen PMs. Because I don't, like I'll just sit there awake. I don't even know why. Can't figure it out. So everybody seems to like the running water, the brook and waterfalls and stuff, so. It is very tranquil. The reroute sucks. It's a lot of road walking. And then when you get towards the end of the road walking, you have this humongous mountain you got to climb straight up, straight down. And like I said, if it rains, you're not getting up or down it. It rained hard this morning, and we could see everyone slipped, and it looks like they probably just didn't bother. They probably walked the road around, which was, the road's actually very dangerous. It's very busy, no shoulder, the cars are flying. So, all right guys, until tomorrow, enjoy this fantastic view. And we will see you again.